Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the balance sheet of aerobic respiration, that is how many ATPs are produced in aerobic respiration when one molecule of glucose is completely oxidized. Here I am writing the different step of aerobic respiration. The first step is glycolysis. After glycolysis, second step is oxidative decarboxylation. Then third step is Krebs cycle. These are the steps where ATP and NADPH2 and along with NADPH2 FADH2 is produced. There is a net gain of 2 ATP molecules takes place in glycolysis process, and there is net gain of 2 NADH2 molecules takes place in glycolysis process. 1 NADH2 give rise to 3 ATP. So 2 NADH2 give rise to 6 ATP. So on the whole in glycolysis process 8 ATP are produced. In oxidative decarboxylation, second step of aerobic respiration, there is ATP is not produced. From glycolysis, 2 molecular pyruvic acids are produced, and oxidative decarboxylation 2 molecule of pyruvic acid are converted into 2 molecule of acetyl coenzyme A, and here we gain 2 molecule of NADH2. When 1 molecule of pyruvic acid is converted into 1 molecule of acetyl coenzyme A, 1 NADH2 is produced. But 2 pyruvic acid we obtain by glycolysis process, they are converted into 2 molecule of acetyl coenzyme A. So in this step 2 molecule of NADH2 are produced. 1 NADH2 produce 3 ATP. So 2 will give rise to 6 ATP. So in this process there is net gain of 6 ATP takes place in oxidative decarboxylation. In Krebs cycle on the whole 1 ATP is produced, but 2 Krebs cycle takes place in complete aerobic respiration because 2 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A are produced. One enter in 1 Krebs cycle, the another enter in 2 Krebs cycle. So in 1 Krebs cycle 1 ATP is produced, in 2 Krebs cycle there is net gain of 2 ATP molecule takes place. In this way in 1 Krebs cycle 3 NADH2 are produced and 1 molecule of FADH2 is produced. 2 Krebs cycle takes place. So 6 NADH2 molecules are produced and 2 FADH2 are produced. So on the whole 6 NADH2 are produced and 2 NADH2 are produced. 1 NADH2 gives rise to 3 ATP. So 6 give rise to 18 ATP. 1 FADH2 give rise to 2 ATP. So 2 FADH2 give rise to 4 ATP. So on the whole in Krebs cycle there is a net gain of 24 ATP molecules takes place. If we add these all, there is a net gain of 38 ATP molecules takes place on the oxidation of one molecule of glucose. Complete oxidation of glucose molecule takes place in aerobic respiration, which give rise to about 38 ATPs molecules. But we talked about in complete aerobic respiration, one molecule of glucose is oxidized and it give rise to 36 ATP. 2 ATP get used up in the transport of 2 NADH2 molecule synthesizing during glycolysis. As we know, glycolysis takes place in cytoplasm, an electron transport system present in the inner mitochondrial membrane. So from cytoplasm, these NADH2 which are produced in glycolysis or in the cytoplasm of the cell, they are transported from cytoplasm to the mitochondria. So here 2 ATP molecules are utilized. So on the whole, 36 ATP are produced into the aerobic respiration. So 2 ATPs are used up, get used up to pump 2 NADH2 from cytoplasm to mitochondria. These 2 NADH2 from cytoplasm which are produced in glycolysis process, they are pushed into the mitochondria, so we can encache the NADH2 into ATP synthesis. So 2 ATPs gets used up. So on the whole, 36 ATP are produced in aerobic respiration. One molecule of glucose is completely oxidized, which give rise to 36 ATP in this process. This is all about in this video. I think the balance sheet is very much clear to you all. Thank you so much.